Hey, welcome to fishbowlproduction. My name is Suren. I know you have seen this Willie and Max swing arm bag. I did actually a review of this bag not too long back, and there's a link to the video for the review of this bag. I was actually going to do a quick video on how to put this together on a motorcycle or how to strap it to the motorcycle. You will notice that it comes with these 3 straps right here. And then there is your third piece. So I've done it couple ways. I've definitely found one more efficient than the other one, or more faster to fasten to the motorcycle. And as much as you think that you only put it once and then never have to take it out after that, that's not the case, because every time you wash a motorcycle, I take this thing out of the motorcycle. So it seems like I do that more often than I thought I originally would. So I found one particular method of fastening it to the motorcycle more efficient than the other, but I will show you both ways that I do it today on this video. So I will tell you that what makes it a little difficult on my motorcycle to put on the swing arm bag is I have this thing here for the pillion rider, and so this makes it a little difficult. Not that much. What that means is I can't fold it inwards because the swing arm bag actually stays here, so I always need to have this unfolded. You will also notice that there's a little bit of pen that's scuffed up. Here's the surface that's over time the swing arm bag wins, your pen loses, and that's what happens. The first thing that I need to do is actually remove this side cover. I use this body of the motorcycle to strap the swing arm bag. So let me remove this part here. Once this is exposed, and then I use this one right here. So I use this and that. So a couple of those straps go actually on this one, and then one strap goes at the bottom here. So let me take care of this cover first. Let me take that out. Every time you get an opportunity, clean up the motorcycle, especially the parts that you don't see as often. This is when you clean it up. So right here, like this, I just go around this way. I don't want to pinch, I don't want to pinch any wires, so just be careful of that. But now I can loop it inside. So this is where I have the buckles on the inside. There you go. So I have it on my hands right now, and with that, 3, 2, and alright, that's number 1. That's done. So it's still a little hard to see, but you will see that's how it's buckled right now. From the inside, it's locked already. And then now let me show you the remaining couple straps. Alright, let me show you. The first strap is right here. It's actually already locked. I locked it from the inside, the buckles on the inside on this one. This second one right here, the buckles in the outside, but like I said, I don't like this, so I will actually reverse it so the buckle goes in the inside, and this is where it straps right here. And then the third one here, actually, it's for the third one, it's actually easier to loop it from the inside and out, so there's a little space here that I can use, and it fits perfect. And hi baby.
Daddy, it's disturbing a lot of noise to my ear.
Really? Why?
Because it's disturbing me a lot and a lot and a lot.
Don't say that, please. Daddy's just doing a video, quick video. Can I continue to work on my video, please? What are you doing? Did you just wake up?
Yeah, because
Oh, it's beautiful outside. Yeah, it's really beautiful outside. Um, can you do me a favor? Can you go upstairs, put on your change out of those clothes, and then I will see you down here, and then we can go bicycling. Okay. Bye.
Have fun.
Thank you. Will do. Yeah, right. As you can see, my daughter always finds a way to get to me. All right, so like I said, this thing here, you can loop it from the inside and then comes out this way. And then, again, this one is already looped in. This one is actually already locked. I will actually reverse this one here from, so the buckle is on the inside. This one already has the buckle on the inside. One here, one here. This is where the side plate cover goes. It should not obstruct. This should not obstruct the side covers at this point. And then now I'm ready to secure it, guys. So let me pull up the straps a lot closer, and then the swing arm bag at that point is pretty much secure to the motorcycle. All right, and then here's the third one. Now I can actually go in here and pull it tight. Like I said, I can do this and then loop it from here. Always be safe than sorry, right? That's why I'm gonna reverse this and put the buckle in the inside. So I think reason number one, trying to loosen this once it's pinned in is a lot harder. Reason number two, the metal side panel over here may come in contact with the metal buckle over here, and that can scratch your pin. And reason number three, there's this extra piece of leather or strap that actually hangs out. Again, I don't want that to be stuck in some part that some moving part of the motorcycle and cause any sort of hazard, right? So let me reverse this. But as you can see, I did it couple ways. I used to do it with the buckles on the outside. I found ways to take that extra piece of leather and fold it inwards and all of that. But lately what I have found really helpful is just have the buckles on the inside, so this extra extra extension of the leather just stays on the inside, and you're still safe, and easy to remove as well. Got it? All right, I'm reversing this one now. All right, gotta remove that one. Already changed? Good job, Mega. So quick. You are so quick. Yes.
Put the toolbox here, and then I stepped on it, and I fell down.
Don't think I saw you fall down, Mega. So this is how it secures to the motorcycle, guys. Again, all the buckles are on the inside at this point. And now I'll put the side covers. Let me go find the side cover.
Everyone, I'm back.
Let me finish up, okay? So I need to put this cover here.
Daddy,
Yes.
a little help. Daddy,
Yes.
I need a little
Done.
help.
Alright guys, so this is at least how I strap the swing arm bag on my motorcycle. Hopefully you like this video, and if you do, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I would love for you to be part of the fishbowl production family. We do a lot of beautiful content on this, mostly around motorcycle, but I've also been doing a mixed bag of contents. But go ahead, give me a thumbs up and a comment below if you find this helpful, or if you have found other ways to put a swim arm bag on your motorcycle. And if you have other models outside of the Harley Davidsons, feel free to provide the link below. I think that's allowed by YouTube algorithm. But we'll see you next time. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you on the next video.